Lake Tana, largest lake of Ethiopia, in a depression of the Northwest Plateau, 6,000 feet, 1,800 meters, above sea level. It forms the main reservoir for the Blue Nile, Abai, River, which drains its southern extremity near Bahir Dar. The lake's surface covers 1,418 square miles, 3,673 square kilometers, with a surrounding drainage of 4,500 square miles, 11,650 square kilometers. Its maximum depth is 45 feet, 14 meters. The reputed source of the Blue Nile is the Little Abai, which rises south of the lake near Mount Amit. It is the longest, about 85 miles, 135 kilometers, of the lake's 60 tributaries. The lake was known to the ancient Greeks as Spoa or Kolo. Coptic monasteries were built on Dak and Daga islands in the lake during the Middle Ages and were visited by Portuguese Jesuits in the 16th and 17th centuries. The Scotsman James Bruce, seeking the source of the Nile, reached the southern shores of Lake Tana in 1770. The alluvial Dembi plains on the lake's northern shore and Fogra on the east indicate that the lake was at one time larger. Near Bahir Dar, the lake is dammed by a lava barrier over which the Blue Nile pours, dropping 138 feet, 42 meters, to form the spectacular Tisasat Falls, a section of which has been harnessed for hydroelectric power. With abundant rainfall, the lake region produces grains, oilseeds, and coffee. Cattle raising is important, as is fishing, carried on from the ancient Tanqua, papyrus reed boat. Blue Nile River, Arabic Al-Nil al-Azraq or Al-Bahr al-Azraq, Amharic Bay, headstream of the Nile River and source of almost 70% of its floodwater at Khartoum. It reputedly rises as the Abay from a spring 6,000 feet, 1,800 meters, above sea level, near Lake Tana in northwestern Ethiopia. The river flows into and out of the lake, runs through a series of rapids, and then drops into a gorge. It flows through a deep canyon southeast and west around the Choke Mountains and then turns northwest through Sudan to join the White Nile at Khartoum. Its length is about 907 miles, 1,460 kilometers. By far the greater part of the Blue Nile's waters come from such tributaries as the Dinder and Rahad rivers, which rise in the Ethiopian highlands. The Al-Rus Aris and Sinur dams in Sudan irrigate 1 million acres, 400,000 hectares, in the plain of Al-Jazira, between the Blue Nile and White Nile rivers. The Sinur Dam also produces hydroelectric power.